In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order of files in a Google Drive folder. This is a useful skill that can help you stay organized and find your files quickly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. If you are using Google Chrome, look at the top right corner of the window. You will see the Google Apps icon. This icon looks like a small grid made up of 9 dots. Clicking on this icon gives you quick access to all Google services. It's a convenient way to move between different tools without having to open new tabs. Once you find the icon, give it a click. This action will set you up to access your Google Drive. Next up, click on the Drive option from the drop-down menu. You may see various Google services like Docs, Sheets, and more, but you want to focus on Drive. When you click Drive, it will open your Google Drive folder. This is where all your files are stored. If you are using your personal device, it should already log you in with your Google account. This saves you time and hassle, as you won't need to enter your credentials again. Now, look directly at the toolbar above your files. This toolbar is an essential part of navigating Google Drive. It contains various options that allow you to manage your files effectively. You will see options like New, Upload, and some sorting tools. Understanding this toolbar will help you make the most of your Google Drive experience. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. From there, click the header text that shows the current sort rule. This header could read name, date modified, or another sorting criterion. Clicking on this text is crucial because it opens up options that allow you to change how your files are sorted. Sorting your files correctly is important for easy access and better organization. You will see a drop-down menu appear with different sorting options. Next, click the arrow icon next to the sort text to reverse the order. For example, if your files are currently sorted from A to Z, clicking the arrow will switch them to Z to A. This small action can save you a lot of time when you need to find files quickly. It's a simple yet effective way to customize your file management according to your needs. With that ready, you should now see your files arranged in the new order. This confirms that your changes have been successfully applied. You can always repeat this process whenever you need to change the order of your files again. Remember, keeping your files organized is a key part of staying productive. Thank you for following along. Now you know how to change the order of files in a Google Drive folder. This will help you keep your digital workspace tidy and efficient. Happy organizing!